here it is. There is nothing I'm more excited about for our restaurant than this sign right here. This sign, I know is going to be incredible. The way it's packed, everything, these people, they just completely care. It's amazing. I just want to see it at this point. Wow. Oh my God. This thing is amazing. Look at this. Wow. It's better than Christmas Day. Look at this thing. This thing is beautiful. Wow. The layers, the lettering, the detail. Wow. This is stunning. Beautiful. Incredible. I have never seen a more beautiful sign than this thing. Thank you all very much. Wow. Unbelievable. Beautiful. Look at this.